Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you string art on a wooden board. The things we need are a wooden board which I have painted black, a picture of any pattern you like it, and here I have printed out a picture of a music note. Hammer, scissor, yarn. I like the color red for it. You can use whatever you want, and nails with heads. So let's get started. First I will put the nails on the board according to the pattern. Next I will slightly remove the paper. Now I will start with yarn. So here is the final look. It looks really beautiful. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.